Hi, this is VZ Proprietary Channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your Snapchat password. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. So, I'll show you how to check your safe Snapchat password safely and easily. Walk you through the step to find your saved login information using your device password manager. If you firstly save your Snapchat password, you may be able to view it without having to reset your account. So make sure to watch until the end and follow each step carefully. So it's very simple. You don't need to open your Snapchat. You can just go to your browser like Chrome. You can open your Chrome. From here, you can go to settings, so you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Now you can select on settings. From settings, you can just scroll down and choose on Google Password Manager. And from here, you can just scroll down until you find there is an option Snapchat, snapchat.com. You can just click on that. You can enter your PIN or your fingerprint. And here you go. You can see your uh, Snapchat username or email, and also, of course, with the password. You can just select on the eye icon in here to reveal your password, or you can just select on the copy and state in here and paste to your Snapchat. You can log in into your Snapchat account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check your Snapchat account password. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.